Hello, today we will guide you through how to manage and reply to Facebook comments in Meta Business Suite. To get started, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is the central place where you can manage messages, comments, and activity for your Facebook business presence all in one dashboard. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and looking at the main home area. From there, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Inbox. The Inbox section is where Meta Business Suite gathers conversations and interactions, making it easier to stay on top of communication without switching between different areas. If you're managing both private messages and public engagement, this is the main workspace you'll use. Inside the inbox, click on a sample message. Opening a message thread lets you view the conversation in full, including previous communication if there is any. This is helpful because it gives you context before you respond, which can make your replies more accurate and professional. Next, click into the chat box and enter sample text to reply. As you type your response, keep your message clear, friendly, and relevant to the conversation. A short and direct reply is often best, especially when you're handling multiple inquiries. Once your reply is ready, you can review it briefly to make sure it says exactly what you intend. After that, look toward the top of the inbox and click on Facebook comments. This switches your view from private messages to public comment activity. It's an important area to monitor regularly, since comments are visible to others and can influence how people view your brand or business page. When the Facebook comments section opens, click on a sample comment. This will bring up the comment thread so you can review what was posted and understand the context before responding. Taking a second to read carefully can help you avoid misunderstandings and make your response more useful. Then enter sample text to reply. As with messages, aim for a response that is polite, helpful, and easy to understand. Public replies should be especially thoughtful, since other users may read them as well. If needed, keep your wording concise, so the response feels natural and professional. And that's how to manage and reply to Facebook comments in Meta Business Suite. By using the inbox for both messages and comments, you can handle communication more efficiently and stay organized as you engage with your audience.